Hello there. We are in the fourth example and we are doing the body paragraphs of different kind of question types. So this again is a combination of two pictures. One is pie chart, one is table. Let me repeat. There are two ways you can do. First, you can write about these two in the first body paragraph, and then you can write about this in the second body paragraph. The second, you can try to find some link or direct connection between these two, and then perhaps write down about both of them in the first paragraph by comparing, and again in the second paragraph. Uh, In previous video, we have done the same kind of questions where we have taken the linked information in the first body paragraph and in the second body paragraph. Now look at the examples here. We start with, in both groups, about a third of the food students eat consist of, so this is composition related vocabulary, and about a third, I keep telling you these things, consist of cereals. So both groups, they're talking about A's, A and B, you can see, but they're just talking about this. Let's see. Similarly, they eat an equal amount of fish. So here the example is different. Here I'm taking one in the first body paragraph and the second in the second body paragraph. Similarly is a linkers. They eat an equal amount of fish. So equal amount of fish and equal amount of, you can see instead of writing 35%, I have written about a third of the food, right? So that will help you. And then composition. They eat an equal amount of fish rather than saying that this A eats 5%, B also eats 5%. That's language. However, linker, the percentage of high fat food eaten by group B is considerably higher, right? That's the comparison part where the difference is different. So 30, 50, considerably higher than in group A at 50%. So how do you mention the figure? There are many ways. So at 50%. While again linkers, students in group B eat far lesser vegetables than. This kind of words again, far lesser means they're talking about the big difference, considerably higher, far lesser vegetables. So you can see vegetables 22 and 5, so big difference. So that's why we're saying far lesser vegetables and slightly smaller quantity of fresh fruit. So you can see this, right? The kind of linkers that I'm using in all exercise. So in the second paragraph, of course, we'll talk about this particular part, right? On the other hand, there are twice as many overweight people. You can see here, overweight, twice as many. So I'm not saying that group A has got 10%, group B, that's quite flat. So on the other hand, there are twice as many overweight people in group B as in group A. What is more, right? Again, a linkers. Group B has experienced, perhaps it should not be capital G here, so you should take care. Group B, or the way they have given it might be possible, but grammatically it's not possible, has experienced a much higher degree of, so see, far lesser, considerably higher, much higher, this kind of vocabulary, fantastic. Illness over the years with over double the number of, so you can see no figure is clearly mentioned. They're saying double, treble, single, being absent from the classes. This has resulted in a 15% lower attendance in group B, right? I hope you have again understood the approach. There's not much difference, but be careful about the kind of expression we're using, the kind of linkers we're using, and information, of course, that has already been planned when we come to the body paragraph part. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. See you very soon in the next video with example number 5, the body paragraphs. Thank you and bye for now.